Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Sanibel in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco Arlington model courtyard villa. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Sanibel in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Arlington model courtyard villa that is made of block and stucco. This home is offered at $485,000. I will start by taking a view of the street as I pan to my left. That is facing southwest. As I pan to my right, that is facing northeast. As I walk up to this home, I do notice this home is in very good condition. It has a 1.5 car garage. It is on a corner lot. It has very beautiful and mature landscaping. It has a 1.5 car garage with an electronic screen door. And as always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Karen Kampermann, or your showing agent today, Don, and I will include both their contact information in the description of the video. You do see this home has a front seating area with a river rock or river pebble coating on the concrete. It has a beautiful glass door, and it has a sliding screen door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Don. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Yeah, aloha, Tim. This is a 3-2 Arlington, and you've got to check out the backyard because it's very private, really friendly neighborhood.
Okay, thanks, Don. I'll take a tour and show my subscribers what this home has to offer. Thank you.
Sure.
Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful ceramic tile floors, both in the foyer and in the living area. Those are tile floors in the living area. They do appear to look like wood. They have a wood grain look. It has beautiful architecture with very wide crown molding as well. As I walk into this living and dining area, this is an Arlington model home, very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Those floors are gorgeous, tile floors. Off to the left, you do see a kitchen area, and you can see there is wainscoting on the bar area. The kitchen does have tile floors, granite countertops, electric stove, glass tile backsplash. That is awesome. Wood cabinets with dark bronze hardware on it, recessed lighting. That very wide crown molding continues in this kitchen area. That island does have granite countertops as well. It has a 2-bowl stainless sink. This home is awesome. I will video the specification sheet as well. This home is located at 3172 Amberley Court here in the Villages, Florida. Offered at $485,000. 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Arlington courtyard villa in the village of Sanibel. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. I will show you the reverse side of that specification sheet. There are your room dimensions, friends. The living room is 28 feet by 14 feet. And there is a features sheet as well. I will video that. There is your features sheet. This home has no bond, and it is a fenced-in corner lot as well. Let's take the rest of the tour through this home. This home is awesome, very neutrally decorated. Here is your dining area, dining space. That is your lanai. And I will take you to that lanai a little bit later in the video. First, I want to take you into the laundry area. You do see the tile floors continuing in the laundry area. This laundry area does have a window and it has wood cabinets in it, knockdown textured ceilings. The epoxy floor in this garage looks to be in very good condition. It is a 1.5 car garage. I will walk to the corner of this garage and show you what it has to offer. It has cabinets with Formica countertops right there. It has a whole home water filtration system as well, friends. It has raised panel doors even in the garage. I will walk back into that living and dining area. I will now show you the lanai area, and then I will walk into the backyard. Here is the lanai. It does have that river rock coating on the top of the concrete. Very nice recessed light in that ceiling. Ground to ceiling windows. And I do notice there is a mini split air conditioner in that lanai. It is a temperature controlled lanai. That sliding glass door will lead into the primary bedroom. This is a block and stucco home, friends. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This outdoor patio area is very large, very good conditioned. Painted concrete back here as well. Very mature palm trees and landscaping. This is a courtyard villa. It does provide the privacy that a lot of people like. Those are block walls, concrete block walls. This is your side patio area here. It appears to me that they even added extra cement block to extend this patio. This area, this home is almost entirely maintenance free. There is no lawn to mow on this home. And I know a lot of snowbirds and temporary residents like this concept to have the stone and rock as their landscaping. Let's go back into this home. Next, I will walk into that primary bedroom area and the guest quarters as well. As I walk into the living and dining area, give you a panoramic view. Very nice, very neutrally decorated home. Raised panel doors. This is the guest quarter and the primary bedroom access as well in here. You do see those tile floors continuing in the hallway. This is a guest bedroom with carpeting located to the front of this home. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture, plantation shutters as well. You do have bifold doors on the closet, raised panel as well. Does have closet organizers in the closet, wire rack shelf as well. Very neat home, very neutrally decorated home. We'll walk back into the hallway. This is your guest bathroom. Has tile floors in that guest bathroom. Formica countertops, wood cabinets, one sink, knockdown textured ceilings. There's your commode space. This bathroom does have a tub in it. There's your tub with a tiles shower surround. Very nice. Let's walk to the next guest bedroom. This bedroom is located to the back of the home. That appears to be a queen size bed. To give you perspective, this room does have carpeting in it. Awesome tray ceiling. Very nice. Plantation shutters as well. I will spin around and show you what this room has. Bifold doors on the closet as well. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom. This is very unique. Carpeted floors in this hallway area. That is a walk-in closet. That is your primary bathroom with ceramic tile floors. Formica countertops, wood cabinets, 2 sinks, brushed stainless fixtures. That is a solar tube in the ceiling. That shower is awesome. Swinging glass door, frameless door. That is a solid surface surround in that shower. Does have a seat as well. This is a different angle of that shower, of the bathroom area. This is the primary bathroom. This is the primary bedroom. It does have carpet, tray ceiling, knockdown texture. Has a sliding glass door to the lanai. Plantation shutters. Very nice. Primary bedroom is 14 feet by 13 feet. Very comfortable home. I do appreciate you watching my videos. Please feel free to share the videos with your friends. Here is your primary closet. Walk-in closet organizers. Very nice. Carpeted floors. We'll walk out into the, this would be your pantry area right there. It's actually a linen closet. Here I am in the living and kitchen area. I'll give you a last panoramic view of that living and kitchen area. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you a last view of this home from the street. We are in the village of Sanibel. In the Villages, Florida. As always, please contact your listing agent or your showing agent. There is your listing agent, Karen Kampermann, or you can contact your showing agent today, Don, and I will show you his information as well. There you have it, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Arlington courtyard villa made of block and stucco. List price $485,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Sanibel. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Arlington model courtyard villa is offered at $485,000. Have a great weekend. Take care.